In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rockband guitar to PlayStation 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Rockband guitar and make sure that it is paired up with your PlayStation 3, so you will be able to play the Rockband titles using it. So, the first requirement is that you check the battery compartment of your Rock Band guitar. If you turn it around, you will be able to see if you need to include batteries. Usually, you will include 2 or 3 double or triple A batteries. So, turn the guitar around, open the battery compartment, and double check in there. Once you have inserted the necessary amount of batteries, you will be able to start this. So, usually, for the PlayStation 3 and other consoles, such as the Nintendo Wii, you need to use a dongle, so make sure that you have this dongle nearby. As you can see, it is going to connect into one of the available USB ports on the console. So, you can go ahead and connect it now, and after it is connected to your PlayStation 3, turn on the guitar itself. You will be able to press the button on the guitar and then synchronize it with the dongle. Once the guitar has been turned on, you will be able to press the button on the dongle itself, and now the dongle should be ready to pair up with the guitar. So right beside the power button on the guitar itself, you will be able to press the other button to synchronize it with the dongle. And as long as you are in close proximity with the dongle and it is ready to be paired, they should both be connected. Once this is done, if you open a compatible game with the Rock Band guitar that you are using, you will be able to use it right away. So as long as the dongle is still included and you have the necessary amount of batteries with enough power to the guitar, you will be able to synchronize it and use it on any compatible game on the PlayStation 3. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band guitar to PlayStation 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.